Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove a dustbin and empty it in a Quigg vacuum cleaner. To do this, first we'll need to click on this button right here. So click on it and then pull it to the left. This should open your dustbin, and then now inside there's this bank that we need to remove. So you can see the handle right there. Stick in your finger and then simply pull it towards you. Now that way you should be able to remove the filter, and now we can remove this blue again, that's I think some kind of a filter, and inside you'll be able to remove all of the dust. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.